Yeah, hi. The project title name is ESP32 based vehicle accident and alcohol detection system using GSM-GPS. So in this project we are using ESP32 rover module, AI thinker board module. We are using ESP32S module and 5 volts power supply connected to the ESP32, GSM SIM 800C for SMS alert purpose, GPS GY6MV2 GPS module for to track the satellite location, latitude point, longitude point. Alarm connected to the fourth pin. 16 cross 2 LCD display connected with RS enabled D4, D5, D6, D7, 8, 9, 10, 11. RS 23 enabled 22. D4, D5, D6, D7, 21, 19, 18, 5. ADXL335 accelerometer sensor connected to the ADC pin numbers 34 and 35. Alcohol sensor connected to the 32. L293D connected to the second pin, PWM pin and engine motor. So this is our total block diagram of the project. So we are getting the alert message: right accident, alcohol detection, left accident. Okay. So let us coming into the hardware part. So here we are using 0 to 9 volts adapter power source we are using. Okay, that connected to the GSM module SIM 800C. You can press and release type. Okay, so press it, it will come outside. I will share one video how to insert the SIM. So you can use Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL, Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL, 2G, 3G, 4G SIM card, SMS balance, main balance. So slowly insert the SIM card. Better use Idea SIM card. Press it, it will go inside. Press it, it will come outside. Press it, it will go inside. GSM SIM 800C module. Power supply board, bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, 1 LED, 5 volts power supply module. And here alcohol sensor, MQ3 alcohol sensor, ADXL335 fall detection, like right accident, right fallen, right, left accident, front accident, back accident, 4 sides. L293D driver IC, quadrupole HBG driver IC. So here we are using 300 RPM motors we are using. Okay, 2 free wheels and 2 are the 300 RPM motor. 16 cross 2 LCD display, character LCD display. Whatever the process is going on, that should be displayed on the LCD. So EN pin is the enable pin. This is the enable reset button. This is bootload programming pin. Switch. GPS GY6MV2 GPS module, GPS antenna, and this is alarm. So this is this side for the exact satellite location, this side for the fixed location. Okay, we need to wait for the GPS ESP32 based vehicle accident alert system using GSM-GPS and MEMS accelerometer sensor. Getting GPS data, please wait. And this side for the fixed. Okay, and this side for the data. Okay, so now I am pressing the reset button. Wait. GPS means here the GPS LED will blink. Okay, whenever it is blinking start, it will, you will get exact latitude longitude point. So now it will come fixed location of some point. Okay, so better use this side. Okay, 00 came, reset it, exact latitude longitude values came, GPS is okay. Initializing GSM modem, initialized successfully. SIM card is there, normal, motor rotating. Okay, now I am pressing left side. Okay, press reset button, like left accident and interchange, latitude point, longitude point, GPS is okay. We will get one SMS alert, message sent, left accident, latitude point, longitude point. Press it, it will show. Okay, second number is the student number, alcohol sensor. Okay, alcohol, alcohol 200 and above, alcohol detected, sending SMS alert. GSM SIM 800C power supply board, MQ3 alcohol sensor, ADXL335 fault detection, L293D driver AC, GPS antenna, GPS module, alarm, ESP32 module. Okay, message, alcohol detected, location place, latitude point, longitude point. Okay, now I am going for the left accident detected.